The formula to convert temperature from Celsius, centigrade to Fahrenheit is degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius times 9/5 plus 32, where degree Fahrenheit is the temperature in Fahrenheit. Degree Celsius is the temperature in Celsius. So, to convert a temperature from Celsius to Fahrenheit, you multiply the Celsius temperature by 9th May and then add 32. Example. Let's say you have a temperature of 25 degrees Celsius and you want to convert it to Fahrenheit using the formula. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to degree Celsius times 9/5 plus 32. Substitute the value of degree Celsius, 25 degrees, into the formula. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 25 times 9/5 plus 32. Now, perform the calculations. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 45/5 plus 32. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 9 plus 32. Degree Fahrenheit is equal to 41. So, 25 degrees Celsius is equivalent to 41 degrees Fahrenheit. The formula to convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius is degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 nines, where degree Celsius is the temperature in Celsius. Degree Fahrenheit is the temperature in Fahrenheit. To convert a temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius, you subtract 32 from the Fahrenheit temperature and then multiply the result by 5 nines. Example. Let's say you have a temperature of 68 degrees Fahrenheit and you want to convert it to Celsius using the formula. Degree Celsius is equal to degree Fahrenheit minus 32 times 5 nines. Substitute the value of degree Fahrenheit, 68 degrees, into the formula. Degree Celsius is equal to 68 minus 32 times 5 nines. Now, perform the calculations. Degree Celsius is equal to 36 times 5 nines. Degree Celsius is equal to 180 by 9. Degree Celsius is equal to 20. So, 68 degrees Fahrenheit is equivalent to 20 degrees Celsius. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, comment. IIQA